This is arriving in beautiful New England. This is the port of Newport, Rhode Island. And this is going to be off of a tender ship. That's these smaller boats back here, as the harbor does not welcome in the larger cruiser ships. Up to the marina. Although there are many boats in the Newport Marina. Actually, boating is very much a part of the identity of this community.
Welcome.
Great to be back.
I'm glad. Enjoy your second time around.
Four. Very friendly people. Greeting everyone in Newport. Okay. So we will walk over just a little bit and show you some of Newport as you arrive. Now, my favorite thing to do in Newport is actually to walk over to the cliff walk. I've got my Newport shirt on. Happy to be back. It is autumn in New England, October 15th. Not a lot of color has happened as far as the fall foliage yet. And when you are first arriving, there's quite a few things to see when walking. You don't have a tour scheduled. Right across we have the Brick Market shops. It's actually where I got one of my Rhode Island shirts. Here's some fall foliage, but not the colors one would be expecting. Those bright orange and reds. And I did arrive once here in beautiful Little Rhodey with my mother, who is in a wheelchair. So do not be discouraged by visiting beautiful Newport, Rhode Island if you are in a chair. And she did the cruise ship and was able to get on the tender, that mini boat that we had just shown. So this is accessible for all types of travelers. All right. Now, the boating community is definitely a personality of what makes Newport so special. But if you're not going to get on a boat, you have this quaint little town. Nice for storing. You see, we don't even have to walk very far. This is right off of the pier. And if you are a history buff, you see these buildings up in front. Many of films have been recorded here. Beautiful Rhode Island because of the architecture. You might not recognize them today because they would have been films that would have been set 100 years back. But do some research before you arrive. Like, hey, that's the building from, if you are in fact a movie buff. There's the autumn colors we're looking for on an apron. I actually was watching the film in reverse and said, hey, wait a minute, I've been there. Oh, that's Newport. So you may realize a bit about Newport after you get home as well, while screening some cinema. cobblestone streets of New England. All right, that is a quick arrival. Got some exploring. Till next time, from ever beautiful Newport, Rhode Island.